Good day, beautiful souls. After making over 700 successful subliminals and teaching the class to clinical psychologists and professional doctors, and you can now buy the last class, I really want to move on. And I've always understood that subliminals are the root of the problem, the interior, right? Because the paradigms create the energy, right? That we walk in. So I've never really made any 528 or 432 hertz, meditation, to the creation tones or the solfeggi frequencies, right? However, I still love to listen to them while I listen also to subliminals and combine the two because the loving and powerful miracle energy boosts your subliminal results, right? And I want to make, when I say make, we all know Seiluke's talking about hundreds, right, of awesome meditation videos, going into this year. And I also really want to I'm going to buy a professional camera and I want to start filming fitness videos, right? The fitness industry has always been one of my greatest passions. I love the health and fitness industry. I love feeling great. I love combining both, right, subliminals and the gym together, which creates phenomenal results. And I want to start making fitness videos. I also want to start making, nutritional videos with real professionals, right? And as I mentioned, the meditation videos, and really start expanding the YouTube channel even further, right? Make some yoga videos, more yoga videos. Actually, the YouTube channel actually already has a couple of, right, yoga videos, but I want to make even more, and I really want to start expanding a lot of high quality, just self-improvement and health and wellness videos this year, right? And I really am excited for this new chapter in the journey. I've never viewed myself as a speaker, really, right? And then through subliminals and, just hands-on experience, I got, to a point where I feel comfortable and confident, in speaking in front of the camera. However, I also love to just edit, be on the creative side of editing and filming, directing, and I really look forward to this next chapter of producing a lot of very powerful, empowering content for all of these beautiful souls this year. We really are going to expand out. We already have over 1,000 videos, I believe, on the channel, and soon we'll have thousands of just empowering content, just all rooted in the vibration of miracles and love that this entire universe vibrates.